I'll be using the book Dan and Dot Can Play a Tune from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on U, consonant E, the long U sound. I'm going to be saying 2 words. I want you to use your ears and listen very carefully and tell me what sound is the same in each one of these words. I'll say the word, you echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Mule, cube. What sound did you hear in each one of those words? That's right, you heard you. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we say you. Grab your mirror, hold it right up to your mouth and say you. What was your mouth doing? What was happening? You're right. Your mouth is slightly open and your tongue is towards the front of your mouth. Now, I want you to say the U sound again, but put your hand on your throat and see if you can feel a buzzing or vibration. Let's do it together. Here we go. You. Did you feel that? So did I. So we know that the U sound is a voice sound, and when we make it, our mouth is slightly open and our tongue is towards the front of our mouth. Put your mirrors down for just a minute. I need you to use your ears again because I'm going to be saying 2 more words. And I want you to tell me what sound is the same in each of these 2 words. I'll say the word, you echo. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Tune, rude. What sound did you hear that was alike in each of those 2 words? Yes, you heard ooh. Let's grab our mirrors again and see what our mouth is doing when we say ooh. Get your mirror, hold it up to your mouth and say ooh. What was your mouth doing? You're right. This time your mouth was open and your lips were round and your tongue was towards the back of your mouth. Now let's make the ooh sound again and see if we can feel that buzzing or vibration. Here we go. Ooh. Did you feel that? So did I. So we know that ooh is a voice sound, and when we make it, our mouth is open, our lips are round, and our tongue is towards the back of our mouth. Great job. Go ahead and put your mirrors away. We're done with the mirrors. Now, I need you to use your eyes because I want you to look very carefully at the board. I'm going to write some words, and I want you to tell me what 2 letters are just alike in each of these words. You start looking closely because I'm going to start writing. M-U-L-E. C-U-B-E. T-U-N-E. R-U-D-E. What 2 letters are just alike in each of these words? You're right. U and E are just alike in each one of these words. Let's look a little more carefully and let's see what's in between the U and the E. So what's after the U and before the E? An L. What's after this U and before this E? B. After U and before E, N. After U and before E, D. So what do we know about the U and the E? That's right, they're vowels. What do we know about the L, B, N, and D? You're so smart. Yes, they're consonants. So when we have a U consonant E, the E at the end of the word never makes a sound, but it does have an important job to do. It tells the U to say the long vowel sound. Now we know that vowels make two sounds. They have a short vowel sound and a long vowel sound. But listen really carefully because I'm going to tell you something that's special about you. You, when it makes the long vowel sound, can have two sounds. So when we say mule and cube, it says you. And when we say tune and rude, it says ooh. Today we're going to focus our learning on U consonant E. We know that when we have a U consonant E, the E is silent, but it's telling the U to make the long vowel sound, and U can make two long vowel sounds, U and OO. Let's read these words together. Mule, cube, tune, rude. When you read the book, Dan and Dot can play a tune, you will see U consonant E words. And we know that long U can say you, or it can say ooh. And both of those sounds are voiced. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.